Hello everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. Like it's been customary, I've been bringing these videos and these tools for the last 16 years, and I appreciate all your feedback. Thank you for your emails. Please keep those coming. I get emails from you guys, a few a week, telling us how our tools have helped you become more productive, get certain tasks automated, and overall just make your life hopefully just a little bit easier and better. So thank you for your emails. Keep them coming. Feel free to also take a look at our reviews. I believe as to this recording we have about 115 reviews from clients that have used our tools. We've got over 7,400 users that some of them use our tools on a daily basis. So thank you for using our tools and for just being great customers. Today's tool is actually differently from a lot of our other tools. It's a Bing Maps API tool. It is a driving distance calculator with Bing Maps. What the tool allows you as the user to do is to calculate driving distances and driving time via Bing Maps. Again, you will need a Bing Maps API. I'll put together another video on how to do that. But once you do that, make sure you download the tool from the description, and there should be a link in there. And once you download and open it, using the tool is as simple as pasting the starting address, ending address, and the tool will calculate, by clicking on the calculate button, the driving distance and the driving time in minutes between those sets of addresses. It's really as simple as that. There are no tools to install or no software to install. Just download the tool and you should be good to go. Again, all of our tools are built in Excel. One more thing, if you've got any questions on this, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is here. Yes, I do answer the phone. Just give me a call, ask me any questions, and I'd be more than happy to give you the right answer or maybe pointing you to the right direction. Thank you again for watching my video, and let me know in the comments if you've got any questions or if you need anything else. Thank you till next time.